Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey Clashers! Ever wondered about those amazing pets you see accompanying heroes in Clash of Clans? These little powerhouses are more than just cute companions. They're vital allies that enhance your hero's strengths in battle. Each one offers unique skills, turning your already mighty heroes into unstoppable forces. Understanding how to acquire and utilize them is absolutely key to dominating the game, and there's really only one primary way to do it. So, what's the secret to getting these incredible pets? It's surprisingly straightforward, but it requires significant progress. The singular, fundamental requirement is unlocking and building the pet house. This crucial structure only becomes available once your town hall reaches a mighty level 14. It serves as the central hub for all your new animal companions, housing them and allowing you to manage their upgrades. Once your pet house is built, you won't wait long to meet your first furry friend. The initial pet becomes available right away, ready to accompany one of your heroes. To unlock more of these powerful allies, you'll need to continue upgrading your pet house itself. Every time you level up this special building, a new and exciting pet is introduced, expanding your strategic options significantly. With pets unlocked, the next step is strategically pairing them with your heroes. Before any battle, you can assign any available pet to any of your 4 heroes, creating powerful combinations. Just like your heroes, pets can be upgraded using Elixir, making them even stronger and more impactful. Thoughtful pet assignments are crucial. They really elevate your attack strategies and defenses in a major way. To reiterate, the only definite way to get pets in Clash of Clans, even looking ahead to 2025, is through the pet house. There aren't any special events, codes, or alternative paths. It's all about diligent progression. Your primary focus should be on getting your town hall to level 14 and then consistently upgrading your pet house. This dedication will unlock all the amazing pets, empowering your heroes like never before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.